Hello. When we ordered our LX2620, we ordered the third function valve, and we also ordered the brush guard, but the brush guard wasn't in stock when we took delivery. So I just installed this about a week or so ago. And when I was doing that, I noticed some scratches. There was a little nick here, a little nick here, and quite a nasty gouge, about 2 inches long, here, right down to the bare metal. And the culprit was this bracket, which supports the third function hoses. And it was installed here. And you can see how incredibly close the bracket is to the hood. So I think when they were installing the bloater, this ended up gouging here, or maybe just when they were working on the engine, just raising and lowering the hood. And the other thing I noticed was when I raised the loader, this bracket was hitting right here and shaving all the paint off this little wing. And these hoses were getting caught under here and it was chafing. So I bent this back to about 45 degrees and I still wasn't happy. So I've removed it. And in the meantime, I just put a zip tie there to try to keep them tidy. And I took a piece of pipe like this, but a bigger version. And I gave it a little squeeze in my vise. And then cut a piece off. And I took a piece of scrap, and my plan is to weld this like so, and then install it as my new little bracket. And it gains me, at least 1.5 inches more clearance than I had. And I'm hoping that will be well enough to keep this away from the hood and keep these hoses held over here away from this little wing. So after I get it welded and painted, I'll bring you back.
Do the couplers fit in there?
Oh, yeah.
You can add that in there.
Yeah. And also, I made this just big enough so that the couplers would be able to fit through here when I install it. I'm back. I've welded it together and painted it. And now I'll install it here. And you can see there's a big improvement in the amount of clearance that I have between the bracket and the hood. I've got 1.5 inches now, where before I barely had 1/4 inch. I'll install it and then bring you back and we'll see how it works. This is a fix that's working well for me. If you find yourself in a similar situation and this video could help, that'd be great. Thanks for watching and take care.